In this video on Paul's Tool Review, I'm going to show you some good value tool deals from Harbor Freight by taking advantage of the local in-store prices and applying coupons you can download directly from Harbor Freight, receive in the mail, or searching the web. I'll also include coupons I use in this video so you can either write down the coupon numbers or take a screenshot directly from the video. Lastly, I'll include the description links to all the items in their webpage so you can easily build your own shopping list. First, a little history. If you're unfamiliar with Harbor Freight, they started out as a mail-order e-commerce tool and equipment seller that has grown into a nationwide retail chain with over 1,000 locations in 48 states, so chances are there's probably one near you. Harbor Freight sells many tools under in-house brands such as Hercules, Bauer, Warrior, Icon, Quinn, Bremen, Pittsburgh Pro, Pittsburgh, Doyle, and Daytona. These are sourced directly from manufacturers that make other brands, mostly in China. One of the things I like about some of the tools at Harbor Freight is it comes with a lifetime warranty. Often it's as easy as bringing the tool in and saying, I have a lifetime warranty failure, and they will replace it on the spot for you, much like the old Sears used to do with Craftsman tools back in the day. There are some tools at Harbor Freight that come with only a 90-day warranty, but often you can purchase an extended warranty should you feel the need. Just make sure you check the warranty information on the package. Typically, I don't abuse my tools, but every now and again, you can get a manufacturing defect, which can be frustrating in the middle of a job or project. Right now, you're looking at $117.50 worth of tools that I picked up at Harbor Freight for $85.46, for a total savings of 27%. Let's start with the larger items first and work our way down to the smaller ones. First up is this 1/2-inch Pittsburgh Pro breaker bar, which is 25 inches long. Comes with a 180-degree swivel head. This one is in 1/2 inch, but also you can get it in 1/4 or 3/8 inch drive head size. It's made of chrome vanadium steel and comes with a lifetime warranty. This lists for $19.99, and using a $5 coupon, I paid $14.99. Next up is the 1/2 inch Pittsburgh Pro Click Torque Wrench. It comes in 1/4 or 3/8, as well as the 1/2 inch you see here. It is a heavy-duty cam and paw mechanism and is reversible. The torque range is 30 to 150 foot-pounds and has a lifetime warranty. This normally retails for $19.99, but with the coupon, I got it for $9.99. Next up is the 1/2 inch Quinn digital torque adapter. This converts any ratchet into precision torque wrench with its digital display. A progressive audio notification alerts you when reaching a specified torque. The torque adapter also has a peak mode which shows final torque results. It has a track mode which displays the torque value as pressure is applied. It's accurate within plus or minus 2%. The torque range is 29.5 to 147.6 foot-pounds of torque, or 40 to 200 Newton meters. It has an auto shut-off in 80 seconds. This received high praise for its accuracy out of the box from many respected reviewers, and runs on 2 AAA batteries, which are included. The retail price for this is $29.99, and with a 20% off super coupon, I got it for $23.99. The warranty on this item is 90 days from the date of purchase. Next up are the 1/4 and 3/8 size quick release swivel head ratchets. These are quick release, have 2 70-degree sweep and 72 teeth or 5-degree swing arc that works well in tight spaces. The 1/4 version retails for $12.99 or $10.83 after coupon, while the 3/8 version retails for $16.99 or $14.15 on sale. These ratchets come with a lifetime warranty. Next up is the microfiber cleaning cloth. You get 4 microfiber cloths that are 12 inches by 12 inches in the package and claim to be machine washable. For 69 cents with a coupon, it's a no-brainer, and these normally retail for $2.89. Next up is the Pittsburgh mini pick and hook set. Typically I use these for getting into tight places to remove O-rings, gaskets, or replacing rubber traction tires on toy trains. These normally retail for $1.99, but with coupon they can be had for 99 cents. This has a lifetime warranty. The last thing I purchased at Harbor Freight was the Pittsburgh High Velocity Socket Adapter set. These are made of durable chrome palladium steel. It has mixed reviews on Harbor Freight site and other review sites about easily snapping under high torque loads, but it comes with a lifetime warranty. I only paid $4.99, so I thought I'd give it a try. There's one last item I wanted to purchase at my local Harbor Freight, but it was unavailable, and that was the Pittsburgh Automotive 4-inch magnetic parts holder. It has 4 pounds of magnetic pull to keep your fasteners and components close at hand, and is made of stainless steel. It comes with a 90-day warranty and retails for $2.99. That is, if you can find it in your store. With a coupon, you can get it for 63 cents. There's a lot of mixed reviews on this one as far as the magnet separating from the dish, but a little epoxy or super glue should fix the problem. To sum it all up, I spent a total of $85.46 for $117.51 worth of decent tools, for a savings of 27% off the retail price. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. If you have other great deals at the freight worth mentioning, or even better coupons, please leave a comment below.